Good day everyone! So I'm here again to discuss the operation and function under the subject of General Mathematics Quarter 1 of Grade 11 students. So this operation and function, nagre-require siya ng mga topic na kailangan alam natin bago natin magawa itong topic na ito. Iisa-isahin natin siya then mamaya kung ano-ano yung mga topics na yon. So operation and functions are similar to operations on numbers. Adding, subtracting, and multiplying two or more functions together will result in another function. Dividing two functions together will also result in another function if the denominator or divisor is not zero function. So sinasabi na kapag meron tayong dalawang function at ginamitan natin siya ng operation, ang result nun ay isa ring function. Pero kapag division ang ginamit natin doon sa dalawang function na yon, function pa rin naman yung result niya basta yung denominator niya ay hindi zero. So, these are the prerequisite skills in this topic. Una, rules for adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing fractional and algebraic expressions, real numbers, especially fractions and integers. And the last one is evaluating function. So, meron na tayong discussion about evaluating of algebraic expression and evaluating of function na naka-upload din sa ating channel. Pwede nating balikan yon para medyo ma-master natin kung paano mag-evaluate ng algebraic expression and function. Another definition, let f and g be functions. Their sum denoted by f plus g is function denoted by f plus g of x is also equal to f of x plus g of x. There's difference denoted by f minus g is function denoted by f minus g of x, and that is equal to f of x minus g of x. Their product denoted by f times g is also a function denoted by f times g of x, and that is equal to f of x times g of x. Their quotient denoted by f over g is function denoted by f over g of x is equal to f of x over g of x. So, medyo in-specific lang natin yung mga function na dinidenote natin dito sa ating definition. Okay, so given the functions, f of x is equal to x plus 5, g of x is equal to 2x minus 1, h of x is equal to 2x squared plus 9x minus 5. So, let's determine the following functions. Sagutin natin yung a, b, c, d, e, f, g, h na ito doon sa given natin na function na f of x, g of x, and h of x. So, our solution for example number letter A is f, which is f plus g of x. So, according to our definition, their sum denoted by f plus g is function denoted by f plus g of x, and that is equal to f of x plus g of x. Therefore, yung hinahanap natin dito na function na f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. At ang given function natin, f of x is equal to x plus 5 and g of x is equal to 2x minus 1. So, i-substitute natin yung given function na yan dun sa ating unknown function. So, magiging f of x is equal to x plus 5 and g of x is equal to 2x minus 1. So, tignan na lang natin yung colors. They are color-coded. And then, let's combine similar terms. Yun yung next step natin dito sa ating given or sa ating solution. So, x and 2x are similar terms and 5 and negative 1 are also similar terms. So, magkaparehas ng kulay kung ano yung similar terms natin. Then, let's perform the indicated operation. So, x plus 2x, that is 3x, and 5 minus 1, that is 4. Therefore, 3x plus 4 is the sum of f plus g of x. Next example, letter B, f minus g of x. Again, according to our definition, the difference denoted by f minus g is function denoted by f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. Then, our given function, substitute na lang natin siya. F of x is equal to x plus 5 minus the g of x, which is 2x minus 1. And then, combining similar terms again. So, we have x and then negative 2x na siya dahil sa ating operation na subtraction doon. And then, positive 5 and then negative times negative 1, that is positive 1. So, x minus 2x, that is negative x, and 5 plus 1, that is 6. Therefore, negative x plus 6 is the difference between the difference of the function f minus g of x. Next, letter C, f times g of x. Again, the definition says that the product denoted by f times g is function denoted by f times g of x is equal to f of x times g of x. The function, substitute natin yung function na given dito sa ating mga functions dito na unknown or need to be solved. F of x is x plus 5 and g of x, that is 2x minus 1, and the operation is multiplication. So, that is multiplication of binomial. So, x plus 5 times 2x minus 1, that is equal to 2x squared plus 9x minus 5. Multiplication of two binomials. Therefore, the product of f times g of x is equal to 2x squared plus 9x minus 5. Next, letter D. H over g of x, according to definition, the difference or the quotient denoted by h of g is function denoted by h over g of x is equal to h of x over g of x. Therefore, it will become h of x over g of x. And then from the given function, let's substitute h of x and g of x. It will become now 2x squared plus 9x minus 5 over 2x minus 1. So dito, magkakaroon tayo ng division of polynomial or simply factor out na lang natin yung numerator. So, the factor of 2x squared plus 9x minus 5 is x plus 5 and 2x minus 1. Then, rewrite natin yung denominator, which is 2x minus 1. Then, same naman yung 2x minus 1 natin sa numerator and sa denominator. So, cancel na lang natin siya. Ang natira ay x plus 5. Therefore, x plus 5 is the quotient of h over g of x. Letter E. We have f plus g of 3. Meron na tayong value ni x, which is 3. So, that is equal to f of 3 plus g of 3. So, let's solve f of 3 and g of 3 separately. The given function, unahin natin si f of x, which is x plus 5. So, substitute natin yung value ni x na 3. So, magiging 3 plus 5. Therefore, f of 3 is equal to 8. And then, let's solve now for g of 3. And the given function is 2x minus 1. So, let's substitute the value of x, which is 3. It will become 2 times 3 minus 1. So, g of 3 is equal to 6 minus 1, and g of 3 is equal to 5. Therefore, f of 3 plus g of 3 is equal to 8 plus 5, and that is equal to 13. So, we have the same answer. Yung nakuha natin dun sa alternative solution at saka dun sa first solution natin. Okay, next. For items f to h, we will use the values of f of 3 is equal to 8 and g of 3 is equal to 5 na nakuha natin dun sa ating previous solution. So, kunin natin yung f minus g of 3 and that is also equal to f of 3 minus g of 3. And f minus g of 3, f of 3 natin that is equal to 8, g of 3 natin that is equal to 5. Therefore, 8 minus 5 is 3 and the difference between f of g of 3 is equal to 3. Next, letter G. F times g of 3 is also equal to f of 3 times g of 3. Now, substitute natin yung value ni f of 3 which is 8 and the value of g of 3 which is 5. Therefore, f times g of 3 is equal to 40. Okay, next, division. H over g of 3 is also equal to, that is a division. H of 3 divided by g of 3. So, solve for h of 3 and g of 3 separately. Ayun yung given function natin. Then, h of x is equal to 2x squared plus 9x minus 5. H of 3 now is equal to, substitute the value of x, to rewrite natin, x is equal to 3 squared plus 9, x is equal to 3 minus 5. So, solve natin siya. H of 3 is equal to 2, 3 squared is equal to 9 plus 9 times 3 that is 27 minus 5. So, h of 3 is equal to 2 times 9 that is 18. Rewrite na lang natin yung 27 and negative 5. So, h of 3 is equal to 40. Again, next, g of x naman is equal to 2x minus 1. So, let's substitute the value of x which is 3. So, g of x is equal to 2 and then x is equal to 3 minus 1. So, simplify natin siya. 2 times 3 that is 6 minus 1. Then, g of 3 is equal to 5. Therefore, h of 3 over g of 3 is equal to 40 divided by 5 and that is equal to, we have the alternative solution. So, we all know that h over g of x is equal to x plus 5. So, yun muna yung gagamitin natin. Gamitin natin siya. So, substitute natin yung value ng x which is 3. So, h of 3 over g of 3 is equal to, value of x is 3. So, 3 plus 5, that is equal to 8. We solve or we obtain the same value na nakuha natin dun sa ating first solution.